set, go.
Okay. This is Emily.
You're not even getting yourself.
And Sophie.
Shut up.
And
Sophie and
me.
Emily. And we
And
are doing
Julia. Me and Julia just did it.
and
See?
we're a bit wet. Anyway.
Yeah. And now
The water challenge.
2 liters of water.
2 liters of water.
And then you have to jump on the trampoline and run around it twice.
Okay, ready.
Get set.
I didn't pay even
Emily! Sophie! Emily, you can do it. Sophie's already drinking half of it. Emily, you gotta drink that stuff.
Close-ups.
Come on, Sophie! Oh, Sophie's dripping tops. Oh, Emily.
Emily.
See through? Come on, Sophie.
Don't, Holly.
You can't just drip it all on the ground.
I did. Sophie is winning at the moment.
I want to do it.
Guys, stand closer together.
I want to do it.
No, we've got to go. Daddy's going to go to Peaches at 5 and I've got to go to Safeway and get some fruit. No fruit.
Here, Sophie.
Come on, Sophie. It's also a bit see-through there, hey? Am I? Closer.
Closer.
Good. Oh, Emily.
Emily, you're a bit see-through too. You can't just put it in your mouth and spit it out. Sophie.
Go, Sophie. Go, Sophie. Go, Sophie. Go. You're going to jump on the trampoline and run around. Come on. You can do it.
1.
Sophie, don't do it twice.
Emily wins.
I want to go.
Thank you very much.
Piano,
Oh, God.
Thank you very much.